So I think screen is shared now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and voice is also clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, the lecture 4, that is the basic atomic structure. So I'm going to discuss the basic of atomic structure. Most of the things you might have read in your lower classes. Even then, to rebrush the things and to have the those models just as a recap, I'm going to recall all those models and basics related to that. I will start from a very basic, that is from Rutherford model, and I will try to discuss almost all the relevant aspects related to the atomic structure, atomic model, where the electrons are residing, how they are getting their excitation, and how their absorption and emission spectra will take place. So, what the goal of today's lecture is compare the Bohr and quantum mechanical model of the atom and explain the impact of de Broglie wave particle duality and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle on the current view of the electrons in atom. Identify the relationship among the hydrogen's atom energy level, subcells, and atomic orbits. What was the early model? You might have read the Rutherford model. That is the planetary model. Planetary model means just as a sun is there and all the planets are revolving around the sun. ऐसे ही न्यूक्लियस एक सेंटर पर है और इस न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ ऑर्बिट में इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व कर रहा है. This idea was suggested by the Rutherford in the start of very beginning of the 20th century. So obviously, uh, that uh, outcome or the proposal what has been suggested by the Rutherford based on his great experiment what he did on the foil of gold by uh, scattering of the alpha particle on that. And as a conclusion, what he has proposed that positive charge is concentrated in the center of the atom called the nucleus. Electrons orbit the nucleus like planet orbit the sun, just as electron is orbiting around the nucleus, just as other planets are orbiting around the sun. So this model is here that this is your nucleus, and these are the different orbits, and electrons are orbiting in the different orbits, just as a planetary motion uh, in case of sun and other planets there. So friends, what was the problem with the Rutherford model? What was the problem? Anybody can tell me what was the problem with the Rutherford's model? No, you're not telling me. Anyway, you might not know that what was the problem with the Rutherford's model. फिर भी उसको बताने के पहले आइए थोड़ा साइज का अंदाजा लगाया जाए जो रदरफोर्ड ने अपने मॉडल में प्रपोज किया था. The size of atom in the Rutherford model is about 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. That is 1 angstrom. And we have to determine the attractive electric force between an electron and proton separated by this distance. यानी अगर हम यूं कहें कि न्यूक्लियस की बात करें तो न्यूक्लियस तो ऑब्वियसली पॉजिटिव चार्ज है और इससे कुछ दूरी पर यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी ऑर्बिट में ऑर्बिटेट कर रहा है, तो इनके बीच में एक दूरी है. इस दूरी को हम कहेंगे कि इसका जो साइज है एटम का वो है, इस एटम के साइज को हम अगर आर कहें तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ 10 टू द पावर माइनस 10 मीटर. तो अगर दो चार्जेस हैं, एक पॉजिटिव है और नेगेटिव है, तो दोनों के बीच में कोई फोर्स लगेगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स लगेगा, जिसे हम इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स कहते हैं. उस फोर्स को हमें निकालना है कि व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज दैट विल टेल दैट हाउ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर bind with nucleus in a particular atom. So, and next we have to also determine that what is the electrical potential energy of the atom. That will be also decided on the basis of the electrostatic force and energy which is involved between the nucleus and electron, which is orbiting around the nucleus. तो दिस इज द सिचुएशन हियर कि आपका ये न्यूक्लियस है, पॉजिटिव प्लस ई चार्ज है, और आर इसकी रेडियस है, और इस आर रेडियस पर जिसका आर्डर 1 एंगस्ट्रॉम के आसपास है, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन इस पर ऑर्बिटेट कर रहा है जिसकी वेलोसिटी v है, टेंजेंशियली अगर हम इसकी किसी इंस्टेंटेनियस पोजीशन पे वेलोसिटी लेंगे तो यहाँ पर आएगा, इसका मास me है, और एक सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स इसकी अंदर की तरफ इसे बाइंड करेगा इस एटम में। हमारी आवाज सुनाई पड़ रही है ना आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The size of the atom in the Rutherford model is of the order of 10 to the power minus 10 meter. तो हमें क्या करना है, हमारा यह अंदाजा लगाना है या हमें यहाँ पर प्रयास करना है कि देखना है कि what is the order of the electrical force between the electron and proton separated by this distance. Means that if the distance between the nucleus and the electron is of the order of 1 angstrom,